Hello everyone, this is Oliver from Tianjin New Material Company. And today I will show you how to use the epoxy resin for the craft. And today I will show you the materials. The epoxy resin consists of two parts. Part A is epoxy resin, and part B is hardener. And we prepared some tools like the small bottles and the different shape of the models and the pigments, and also for protecting the gloves. So let's begin to do the operation. We pour the part A. Weight part A 30 grams. And then we weight the part B. Part B should be 30 grams in strictly accordance with the ratio part A to part B is 2 to 1. Next, we pour the part A and part B into the same small bottles. Okay, you can see it's very transparent. The more transparent, the more the high quality it is. And then we stir it until there is no bubbles and no streaks. Focus on the bottom and the walls of the bottle. If using the pigments, just pouring it is okay. Also stir it evenly. Okay, finish. We pour the mixed glues into the models, and for better results, better on the level surface. The epoxy resin materials is totally dry, and today we began to do the demolding. We make a lighter this year's. Okay, and our company's logo, I'm happy. You can note this. And this materials you can see is very hard. Technicals can arrive at 8.5 hardness. Okay, the operation is done, and we have already make the ratio, the 2 and 1 in weight, and we also have a 1:1 weight and 3:1 weight for the flour. And for the craft, you better choose the 2:1 and 1:1 ratio. And as for the epoxy resin, we can offer you the high qualities, and after you buy the materials, you don't worry about the operations. We can send you the how to use the epoxy resin videos and some instructions. So if you want to, if you have some inquiry about the epoxy resin, welcome to inquire San Happy, and welcome to